My family's always been a Dodge family. My dad had Dodge diesels, my brothers have had Dodge diesels, I have. And my brother just went and got himself a brand new Ram 5500 because he's going into business for himself. So I just wanted to show you guys the truck. So this thing is a 2024 Ram 5500 Limited. It's fully loaded. It's got 19.5-inch wheels on it. That's an 11-foot Hillsboro deck. And this thing's 27 feet long. It's got a lot of storage compartments. Has a Titan oversized fuel tank. It is just awesome. He's just getting ready to install a new fifth wheel plate so we can haul gooseneck, fifth wheel, and bumper pull trailers. The paint is an awesome metallic white, and the deck was color matched to it. It's got a lot of awesome LED lighting. And he's hitting the road. This thing is going to be going across Canada and down into the US. I love how the 5500 fender flares extend down onto the bumper. What a beauty. So he sent me this video, and I just thought I'd do a voiceover, give you guys a little sneak peek. So this thing has steering assist. It's got radar for cruise control, so it'll automatically brake for you. Heated and air conditioned seats. It's got the big display. It's just a stunning machine. Of course, it's got a Cummins in it, obviously. I love the lighting on the bottom of the mirrors there. But you guys will see more of this truck down the road. Just thought I'd give you a little look.